Sabay-sabay natin palakpakan. Siya ay handang-handa na at ready na po mag-compete sa Tokyo, Japan on November 27. So please, let's go. Palakpakan niyo naman, puro kayo nagsi-cellphone. Ano po yung reaction?
Ganda! Sobrang ganda!
Sobrang ganda and we agree. And speaking of maganda, hindi po tayo hinto sa pagtawag ng mga magaganda this afternoon. And Miss Irene Jose. Reaction niyo?
Sobrang baba ng mukha ko. Kaka-entrance ko lang at your sleep na agad. Oh.
So thank you very much for coming, everybody.
And that's it. Just kidding. No, but really, we're really rooting for you and we're so excited because we believe in you so much. So, I'll cry. You're gonna do so well.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of our chairperson, Madam Stella Marquez Araneta, I would like to extend our warmest greetings to our media friends, our sponsors and partners, pageant supporters, our lovely queens, and all who continue to believe in the timeless legacy of Binibining Pilipinas. Today we gather...
Can I interject? Sorry. Happy birthday, Dalia. Mirna, my goodness, it is so incredibly sweet to be here today because I was able to watch your guys' journey from screening as someone on the panel 2024. I remember each of you guys made an impact for sure, but I remember I whispered to Anna and Rain, sabi ko, parang siya talaga yung Miss International ko. You just have such an undeniably strong presence that is not commanding or demanding, but it's commanding. You don't force it on people, but it's there. Like, grabe yung aura mo talaga. And it's effortless, which is the best thing about you, but at the same time, you show the Philippines that you don't need to be loud in order to be strong. You can be soft and steady and kind, and you can carry your story with a purpose. So I know that you're gonna do that in Japan. I want you to give me the extra pressure when you win the 7th crown. Okay na yan, don't worry about the challenge. I want us to recreate the crowning moment from this year, back to back. But first and foremost, 7th Miss International crown. I'm so proud of you. I know that you're gonna carry the entire nation so well. You have all of the Binibinis praying for you, and you're gonna carry it with heart. So enjoy, do the best that you can, and we're all so proud of you.
And among the many conversations that we've had, yung pinaka nag-stand out talaga sa akin ay yung dedication and heart ni Mirna sa ginagawa niya. Napaka-dedicated ng tao. If we have Catriona Gray for Miss U, if we have Emma Tigla recently for Miss Grand, ngayon, we have Mirna Esguerra to her advantage. So excited ako kasi parang malakas lang yung feeling namin na she will really get the 7th Miss International crown for the Philippines. So very excited kami for November 27. Congratulations in advance, Pidingin. We love you so much.
Whoa! Thank you very much! Mirna! Mirna!
Minasama. Konnichiwa.
Wow!
First of all, maraming salamat po for being here today. And thank you so much to all of my sisters for all those heartful messages. Grabe, you all made me feel so special today. You know, I've been imagining this day for over 100 times. But nothing really beats the real thing. Seeing all your faces here, grabe. More than 1 year ko pong nakikita yung mga faces niyong lahat sa mga events, especially sa send-off ni Jasmine when she competed for Miss Globe, and also send-off ni Angelica Lopez, and recently ang send-off po ni Annabelle McDonald. And in a way, I treated you guys as my family already. Every time I see your face, I feel comfort na I have these familiar faces sharing these memorable moments with me. And now you're here, not for the other queens that we have, but this time for me. And with that, sobrang blessed ko po to have you here. I know your schedule have been busy, but still you manage, and you're here with everyone and with me. Maraming salamat po. And I hope for you to still support me when I compete in Japan for the Miss International pageant, because I know it's gonna be a really hectic schedule for you guys, especially with Miss Earth and Miss Universe also happening in November. And it's Miss International that's gonna be the last one to happen, and I hope that I really get your support, and I will really appreciate it. You know, I'm not gonna say that it's a waiting time of more than 1 year, but it's a preparation for more than 1 year. Along the way, I saw the beauty in waiting, and ever since I started my career in pageantry, I always appreciate kung gaano kaganda yung waiting time, because it's really all about perspective, and the way I see it, it's an advantage for us, because I was able to do everything and prepare everything in 1 year. And right now, if there's gonna be a mistake, actually, there will no be mistake, because sobrang prepared po tayo from everything, planchado lahat, and I am so proud that in 1 year, me and my team were able to visit the 3 major islands of the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and we saw the beauty of the Philippines, the culture of the Tineg in South Cotabato, and the beauty of Santa Fe Bantayan Island, and the children from World Vision Philippines to SOS Pilipinas, and from around the Philippines. And there I saw children who reflects the same stories that I have when I was a kid, and it just my journey, it became even more special, because I have a strong reason on why I'm doing this. Kaya maraming salamat po for trusting my sister, for trusting me that I have the capability to win the Miss International crown this year. And I'm not gonna make any promises, but the thing that I'm gonna say is I'm going to Japan with my most authentic self and my genuine heart and intentions. Thank you so much, guys. Things regarding corruption. One thing that is never gonna change is the Filipino heart. We Filipinos are very hopeful, and until merong hope sa puso natin, there will always be change. And I will tell that to my co-candidates when I get to Japan, that I hope that they will support the Philippines in every way they can to fight corruption. And I think to fight corruption, it will really have to start with ourselves. Greed should not be our God, but love, kindness, and compassion should be the one who's leading our nation. And if we can teach this to all the children that we have here in the Philippines, then we can rebuild our system, and hopefully corruption will no longer be in our country. In everything that we do, corruption will no longer be allowed. And the way we think, we should always set it that we are here to serve the people, not just for our own needs, but because the people needs a service that is true and from the heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Mirna, and good luck.